Hello everyone, and welcome to Learn Persian for Beginners in Persian Campus. Before getting to Lesson 3, make sure that you visit Persian Campus for more videos, podcasts, songs, and their transcriptions. In Lesson 2, we have learned numbers from 1 to 20. یک تا 20. In this lesson, we are going to learn numbers from 20 to 1000. But before getting to that, let us have a revision. دوره. Once again, دوره. That is revision. این عددها رو بخونید. این عددها رو بخونید. That is 12. How about this one? 4. Next one. 9. 9. بعدی. Next one. 18. It also has a spoken form which is 18. بعدی. 20. Okay, now let's get to درس سوم. Once again, درس سوم. عدد. اعداد. The first number after 20 is 21. And that is 21. 21. The structure is like this. First, we write the big number, beast, and we add a word which means and that is O. And then we add the small number, which here it is یک. Together, we have 20 and 1. That is 21. 21. We use the same structure to make the following numbers before 30. Let's see. 22. Once again, 22. You might have guessed how we can make 23. That is 23. We continue the same form to 29. How do you make it? 29. 29. Pay attention that the stress is on the second number. 21. 22. 23. 29. And then we would have C. C. You can make the numbers from 30 to 40 using the same format that we had. 31. 32. 33. to 39. And then we have 40. Once again, 40. So again, the same form to make 41, 41, 42, 42, and the other numbers to 50. Please repeat, 50. Then we would have 60, which is 60. Once again, 60. Then we would have 61, 62, 69 to 70. Once again, 70. Then we would have 80. یه بار دیگه, that is once again, 80. Then we would have 90. یه بار دیگه 90. Let us have a revision on numbers 10 by 10. The first one is 10. بیست. بعد, that is then, 30. بعد 40. 50. 60. 70. بعد 80. 90. And then we would have 100. 100. Okay, let's continue. Can you guess how we can make 101, 102, 110 and the other numbers? Actually, it follows the same structure that we already have talked about. This is 101. تکرار کنید, that is repeat. 101. As you can see, we put the big number first, then O, which means and then the small number. That would make 101. Next one, 115. If you remember, we had another form to say 15. That was 15. 115. How do you read this one? 121. That is as if you say 120 and 1. That is very easy. 121. And we would continue the numbers to 200, which is 200 or 200. تکرار کنید. 200. Once again, 200. And we make the other numbers like that to 300. 300. 300. We make the same numbers following the same structure to 400, which is 400. تکرار کنید. 400. Then 500, which is the formal form, and 500, which is the spoken form. So let's repeat again. 500. یه بار دیگه. 500. Then we would have 600. 600, which is 600. And if you remember, we had two forms for the number 6. That was shesh or shish. The same is true here. You can either say sheshsad or shishsad. Next one is haftsad, which we drop the t and say hafsad. Once again, hafsad. Next one is hashtsad. یه بار دیگه. hashtsad. Next one is nuhsad. Nuhsad. Then we would have hezar. That is 1,000. Hezar. Then you can guess what 2,000 would be. That would be 2000. 2000. So we put the small number first and then we add the big number at the end. That would be 2000 without any end. 2000. How do you make 3,000? Can you guess? 3000. 3000. That is easy, isn't it? How do you make 4,000? 4000. And 5,000? 5000. 6,000? 6000. 7,000 7,000 8,000 8,000 9,000 9,000 and then we would have 1,000,000 1,000,000. Now you can say your telephone number and the year that you were born. Let's practice. What is your telephone number? شماره تلفنت چنده؟ شماره تلفنت چنده? That is the friendly form. And the formal form is شماره تلفنتون چنده؟ شماره تلفنتون چنده? First of all, we don't read or say our telephone numbers one by one. We separate them either 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. So this number would be 44 26 79 80. It is also possible to separate it 3 by 3 or separate half of it with 3 figures and the others with 2. It depends on you. You can say 442 67 980. However, it is not possible to say 4,400 to blah blah. We only separate them 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. How about this one? I have put the space between the numbers in a way that we usually read the cell phone numbers. For reading the cell phone numbers, we usually separate the 0 and say the lone, and then we read the other numbers. 0 935 291 26 79. What is your telephone number? شماره تلفنتون چنده؟ Try practicing reading your telephone number in Persian. The other information is the year that you have been born. I was born in 1982. In many European languages, you have to separate these years in 2 parts, 19 and then 82. But in Persian style, we read the whole number, the real number that we see here, which is 1982. We read the same form and we say 1982 1982. How about this one? 2003. And this one? 1998. What year are we in now? This is 2024, which we simply would say 2024, which in Iranian calendar it is completely different, and that is 1403. Okay, this is all about numbers in Persian. Make sure you visit Persian Campus for more videos or having early access to these videos to practice this lesson and the following lessons. ممنون. خداحافظ.